Uthando Nesithembu season 9 episode 5. Hey, uMakhumalo uthobile guys, is in another level. Her anger towards Makwela. She's just like, why Umusa would take someone from the same village. Like I'm making an example. Because an example. Or Ayepi, besides Umzombi. Maybe Ayepi, a great town. Like maybe in the north even. Because Opachipstin and it's day in the south. Maybe in the north, Konkanda. Oh guys, it's just like whatever. But she's actually enjoying her house. Amazi guys and like gospel songs. Those are her things. So she was singing on top of her voice, singing. And what's crazy is that she's just enjoying it with the family, okay, you know, not necessarily themselves. And also, guys, it's changing. You can't go on like in the time, yeah. You took him from. Oh, you took him from me. Like, guys, go back to une wondering. And I really believe Makwela is not the last one. I do. Makwela, guys, instead of going to school and better herself, Makwela can do anything and everything. At such whatever money, Musamsele Gamnika Yona, Geneko, go. Although I'm not gonna mention them by names. Angene nje kwi-network marketing, afake imali lapho, afake imali, enzizi. Hey, ilalelo Makwela can push, like right now. And instead, Umusa is just like, you're gonna stay at home. Ubhizi Makwela uthi wena wangiresign emsebenzini. And then Umusa is just like, you're gonna stay at home. Uzale nje, defana uthi uyenza. Kazi niyabona kodwa uthi zakho ezi things. Mina ngizonikeza nje umzekelo. Ngine-cousin mina eshade nomuntu right enemali wayemnika nje kodwa at the time bread was 5 rands sasekhona namanje Shoprite sinkosa 5 wayemnika 5 rand kuphela. Yazi ukuthi aphela kabuhlungu kanjalo leyo relationship, and mina I was still doing grade 11 mangidlula endlini yabo. She was maybe she's about 8 years older than me. She was married at the time cabanga mina ngika grade 11. Ngimtshela ngithi sisi ngeke ukwazi ukuphila lempilo. It is impossible. It didn't end well. Yazi indoda vele athini yathi awulona ubambo lami. I've just discovered ukuthi awulona ubambo lami. It's actually over between us. That was it. That was the end. Because it's the whole thing yokuthi no, I want to be a housewife, I want to stay at home. Lalela. Wafika uyi-1 wena la emhlabeni, you need to have your own things. Umakwela is not on the tip. She's just like, ngene emalini and ngizoba nemali nami. But you need to make that money yourself. Makhumalo is just like, nah, I'm not helping this girl. And wazi ukuthi Makhumalo will never help Makwela. Because beef naye. Angithi the whole thing I was explaining earlier on ukuthi indoda yami nami, like guys, indoda yethu. Munna ke select la radi misana. Ayikho nje lento ukuthi indoda yami. There's nothing like that. Yeah. Awangeke sizokwazi ukuphila noma Umakwela ke umusa use wena uzozala. That's all you must do. And Umakwela thinks this is funny, this is right, and unalento leyo ukuthi yes, we are making money with TV. Ufuna uSomizi ezomtshela ukuthi one salary income is not sustainable in 2026. You need to have from 5 income streams upwards. Ukutshela kahle uSomizi ukuthi nje ngeke uwazi ukuhola kayi-1 mawumuntu. What type of a life is that life? You understand? Hence nathi last business nama YouTube channel awu 4 senza lokho senza lo ngekwa into yodwa ngeke guys kahleni go 2026. Can we not lie to each other, please? Umusa does a lot of things njengoba umbona akenzi le production kuphela ingane nezesithembu uthando nesithembu. It does a lot of things ngoba uyazi ukuthi lalela it's not sustainable with how many wives kufanele ngibathengela ama Mercedes futhi these wives. Besides ukuthi I feel ukuthi lezi zinto bazithengele these ladies. Umusa didn't really. Mhlambe he could have just said bamba nawe ku 50,000 for the deposit, but ukuthi ubathengele literal, no, it's not possible. Umakwela ke zinanada, she's in another world. Angazi kuba bamtshela ukuthi wesisi, you need to have your own things. cabanga umuntu osedlula umacele ehambe ney'ngane zakhe kwi-upside down house in Melville eyimuntu ofanelayo guys as a content creator because I have another channel that's mine, so I normally go to places, you know. Yeah, I must just do that actually because ngidlula umacele. Just imagine when I'm in Johannesburg, what, you know. So she went out with the children, she's having a good time. And another highlight futhi lento kaMusa. Oh Musa uxokile. Oh Musa iphiqe le ndoda. Guys, like ngibuza ukuthi sawumfana wenzani. Ayi uthelethele. Uthanda ukuceba. Oh my gosh, like how can you manje uhambe uyoceba umayini or umangwabe kumacele? Like who even does that? And then he goes and uyoceba futhi umayini kumacele lento okukhonjwa ngemino and stuff. I'm just like, bruh, please. Didn't we just discuss? Finding it was disrespectful, but nakhona really, bra, like fanele ukhombane nendoda on TV ke mhlawumbe ikhombe imani inodwa, like, you know. Apologize sisters ke, I get it, but manje fanele utshela wonke umuntu. There's no need for that. But I like how uMayeni was discussing with the children ukuthi relationships at times they're not important. Musu ugijimela umshado, ugijimela ezinye izinto when you haven't looked at yourself. Qala ukuthi esikoleni qala ufunde. It's very important because then you have something to fall back on. When ubuka lento ukuthi okay, uthando nesithembu sinemali, yeah, bra, please. Can you have your own things? Like I said, ngomakwela. Can we have our own things in life? It's very, very important. Because anything can happen and then what? Subuki indonga. Instead of looking at your bank account. And Dumpilo went on to get a degree because of uMakhumalo, obviously noma wakhe, biological mother, because I didn't like him how now the biological mother wasn't mentioned a lot of times. And you can see that Mama has been involved in this child's life. Just nje ngoba waenda esehlala kaMakhumalo abengane kaMakhumalo njoba kubusy kuthi uMakhumalo inyumba. And I really don't believe Makhumalo inyumba. I think it's timing. And you know what's crazy about that? I said it in another video last week ukuthi almost uyena ongafuna ukuthi sihambe sokwenza in vitro all three of us mina naye noMakhumalo, you know. That's just my thing. Why? Just go and do the things and see how it goes for uMakhumalo. You're not supporting her. Uzoloku busy nyumba. Uyithola ingane, please. Let's not go on like that just because when you say as good you ayithola wena ingane ngithi. Then give Makhumalo a chance to have children. Help her to have children and stop saying ukuthi I know angisana ndaba ke akayitholi vele ingane, so what? So what must I do? How insensitive. This is why about abantu kusukela umasa abanye mebethu narcissist. Hayi kodwa noMakhumalo naye mesethi ene uMakhwela akahamba ayofuna iDNA lengane yala emselukini. Hayi guys, sabona sesizohamba ama-court sizovele siboshwe nje straight. Those allegations zoboshwa. Okay, my last part of the review, guys, is when uMusa Mseluku esexoxela lento le yokuthi uMangwabe actually emxoxela lento le yokuthi uMpilo uyambona ukuthi vele ena akasafuna ukuba involved ukusebenza nabo obviously to do the show. Mina ngifeel ukuthi uMpilo fanele amtshele babakhe straight if that's the case. You understand that? Don't just kubuzwe umbuza naye uMangwabe ukuthi bra, like what are you on about? Ukhuluma ngani? Athi no, ngibona nje indlela enza ngayo. And for me, usho njalo uMusa, for me it only means akasathandi ukuba involved in the show. Guys, ngifeel ukuthi uMpilo njoba decide ukuthi ayihlalele kumaThekwini or whatever she's doing. Obviously she's talking to Makhumalo because she's close to Makhumalo anyways. She must just tell uMusa straight to lalela baba, mina vele angikho interested, you know. Because then mhlambe nakuyingane nesithemba akasafuni. Like you must just tell people ungalibeli udaka and diver. Kuba nandawo it becomes childish and guys with ama games. Can't if you straight with people and be like, mina I'm done. It's better that way. And another highlight that I nearly forgot about ukuthi uMseleku akhulume futhi nangoMakhumalo athi uMakhumalo umdrophela amafoni wenza. Guys, deal with that with Makhumalo. Can't be clevering, going around clevering. Ngizogcina lapho guys. Thank you so much for always loving my channel. Nami ngithanda over.